Multiplying any number by 11 is super easy once you know this trick. Let's break it down with an example. Example 1. 23 times 11. Separate the digits of 23. 2 and add them together. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Place the sum between the original digits. 253. Final answer, 253. Example 2. 47 times 11 digits, 4 and 7. Sum 4 plus 7 equals 11. Since the sum is 2 digits, we carry over the extra one. First digit remains 4. Middle digit becomes 1, unit of 11. Last digit remains 7. Add the carryover 1 to the first digit. 5 final answer, 517. So, 47 times 11 equals 517. For larger numbers, e.g., 345 times 11. Write the first and last digit. 3 and 5. Add pairs of adjacent digits. 3 plus 4 equals 7, 4 plus 5 equals 9. Insert sums between the first and last digit. 3795. So 345 times 11 equals 3,795.